Welcome students. The topic is about important physical chemistry lesson, chemical kinetics. Under that, very frequently the question is asking in a higher examination, that is third order kinetics and integrated rate equation. What do you mean by the third order kinetics is the one type of the reaction A plus A gives rise to products is the one expression. Another type is the A plus B plus C gives rise to product is another type of the reaction, or 3A gives rise to products. Like this, the several possibilities are there in order to explain about the third order reaction. We know well at the t is equal to 0 second, yet the reaction has not begun. Initial concentrations of the reactant is a moles per liter. The product concentration is a 0. After certain interval of time like the t second, the product concentration is a x moles per liter. Hence the left concentration of the reactant to be A minus x and A minus x. Whereas here is the initial concentrations is A, B, C respectively moles per liter. The product concentration at the t is equal to 0 is a 0 moles per liter. After certain interval of time, it is formed as a x. The left concentration is a C minus x. Here is a B minus x. Here is a minus x is the left concentration. And here is the initial concentration of the reactant is A. At that time, the product is a 0. And after certain interval of time, the left concentration is a minus x. How can we express the third order reaction is the rate in which the concentration of the reactants, the three reactants concentration depending on the rate. How can we express the rate is dx by dt is directly proportional to concentration of A into A. That can be represented by the dx by dt is equal to integral constant K3 into after certain interval of time the left concentration of the reactants be the A minus x whole cube. And the second possibility if you discuss, then the rate is dx by dt is equal to K3. I am writing directly A minus x into B minus x into C minus x. Whereas for the third possibility, for this is the rate expression is dx by dt is equal to K3, third order specific rate constant K3 into A minus x whole to the power of 3. Means the rate of the reaction that is depending on the concentrations of the three reactants that is said to be as a third order kinetics. Now the derivation of integrated rate equation for the third order kinetics. We need to derive an expression for the third order kinetics. Let be the equation 3a gives rise to products is given dx by dt A minus x whole cube. Dx by dt is equal to, by removing the proportionality K3, separating the x terms to one side, and integration of 1 by x square, very important one. Let it be integration of 1 by x cube is given, that can be written x to the power of minus 3 into dx, that the integration is x to the power of minus 3 plus 1 by the minus 3 plus 1, hence 1 by 2x square or minus 2x square, and the differentiation with respect to the x value is minus 1, hence the minus gets cancelled. 1 by 2x square is the integration of 1 by x cube, hence 1 by 2 into A minus x whole square. K3 into t, integral constant is a C. When the reaction at the t is equal to 0, the product concentration is a 0, hence t value is a 0, x value is a 0, hence the C value 1 by 2a square. That the value is substituting and replacing the C value 1 by 2 A minus x whole square K3 into t plus 1 by 2a square. Our aim is to derive an expression for the specific rate constant, that is K3. K3t is equal to, that the plus is sent to the opposite side, that become minus, and 2 is taken out, and LCM is a square into A minus x whole square, and the numerator is a square minus A minus x whole square, which can be expanded as A minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab is taken. Again plus a square is getting cancelled. Minus into minus is a plus 2ax minus x square. Now the x is taken out, x into 2a minus x by 2a square into A minus x whole square, which is the very frequently for higher studies the K3 is a very important one. third order specific rate constant expression. After the derivation of integrated rate constant K3 expression, the characteristics is the K3 expression 1 by T x into 2a minus x by 2a square into a minus x whole square. The second characteristics is units K3 time x means concentration, 2a minus x is also concentration, 2a square is nothing but the 2 concentration, a minus x whole square is also 2 concentration. Hence K3 is equal to liter minus 2 is there. When it comes to the numerator, that's a liter square mole to the power of minus 2. Time inverse is a very important one. Half life is the T is replaced by T of x is replaced by a by 2. Then in the place of x a by 2, x a by 2, x a by 2. On solving, T of is equal to 3 by 2 K3 into 1 by a square. What it is representing? Half life of the third order reaction is inversely proportional to square root of its initial concentration is a very important one. Example 2NO, 2 reactants plus 1 reactant is a 3 reactant, hence it comes under the third order reaction. 2 plus 1, here is also 3, here is also 2 plus 1 is there, which also comes under third order kinetics. Now the fifth characteristics of the third order specific rate constant for K3 is the plots of the graphs. Rate against the cube root of or the a minus x whole to the power of 3. We have an expression dx by dt is equal to K3 into a minus x whole cube, y is equal to mx, straight line passes through the origin. Very important graph, these two plotted 1 by 2 into a minus x whole square against t, which is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. The c is the intercept, that is 1 by 2a square, and the K3 is the slope. When we plotted against half life against 1 by a square, which is also y is equal to mx, the tan theta, that is the slope is equal to 3 by 2 K3. These are the very important graphical representation. Please stay tuned and try to share to some people. Thank you very much.